Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today I am releasing my new channel, Biker Stuff the Third. As you may have noticed, Biker Stuff 2 was removed by YouTube for the abundance of nudity and sexual references. If you would like to read the email we received telling us this, I will leave a link in the description to my Instagram account for you to see. This channel is going to begin with the renovation/restoration of the Honda CBR 400. I felt it was best to go back to the beginning, that way you will still see the full series of videos. If you don't know, when Gary went to buy this bike, for whatever reason, he didn't check that the frame and engine number matched with the V5 document. About a month into owning it, we discovered they didn't. We contacted the previous owner, who wasn't very helpful. So we contacted the DVLA, who was similarly unhelpful, and just sent us a massive form to fill out. We can do nothing about this until the bike is complete, as they want a full set of photos along with the engine and frame number. Hopefully they will send us the correct V5 for it and we can get it taxed, insured and MOT'd. But until then, please enjoy watching the series of videos we have made on the renovation of this little bike. They hopefully will not fall foul of any Big Brother intervention. Now, something new for you, I now have 2 new Biker Stuff mugs available on my Redbubble account, but they do have images on for the 18+ audience. A link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please head over to Biker Stuff 3. The link is in the description below and subscribe. I know you liked it, so hit that button. Let's start small and see if we can get to 1,000 subscribers together. Don't forget to tell your friends, and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff.